In this video, we'll be looking at pronouns and determiners. Some words can be used as either a pronoun or a determiner, depending on their role within the sentence. First, let's recap pronouns and determiners. A pronoun is a word that can be used to replace a noun phrase to avoid repetition across a sentence or paragraph. A pronoun replaces a noun phrase. I made a tray of cookies, so would you like to try one? I think the dog is asking for more. Those look delicious. A determiner is a word that comes at the beginning of a noun phrase. They introduce the noun and give us more detail about it. For example, the amount or who it belongs to. Determiners begin a noun phrase. My cousin's cat had one kitten. This mixture needs more sugar. Can you pass me those decorations? Let's take a look at our first question. In this one, you're being asked to decide whether the word some is being used as a pronoun or a determiner in each of the sentences. Let's take a look at the first sentence. Please can I have some? In this sentence, is the word some being used to replace a noun phrase, or is it being used to begin a noun phrase? That's right, it's being used to replace a noun phrase. Therefore, it is a pronoun. What about the second sentence? Some children are painting. Well done if you said that this some is being used as a determiner because it's beginning the noun phrase, some children. Finally, the sentence, would you like some soup? Is the word some being used to begin or replace a noun phrase? That's right, this some is a determiner because it's beginning a noun phrase. In this next question, you're being asked to tick one box in each row to show whether the underlined word is a pronoun or a determiner. We are growing several vegetables at school. Whose gardening tools are those? I would like to plant these seeds. Pause the video now and hit play when you have an answer. Which of these underlined words is being used to replace a noun phrase? Well done if you said, whose gardening tools are those? Those is a pronoun in this sentence. In the other two sentences, the underlined words are being used to begin a noun phrase. This means that they're both being used as determiners. For our last question, you're being asked to underline the two determiners and circle the one pronoun in the passage below. Pause the video now and hit play when you have an answer. Do you have an answer? Great, let's take a look at the passage together. Some moths have pink patches on their wings. Those are Sanjeet's favourite. Did you manage to spot the two determiners? Well done if you said some and their. These words are both being used to begin a noun phrase. What about the pronoun? Well done if you said the word those. This word is being used to replace a noun phrase. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to learn more, we've got other videos about pronouns and determiners available on the Twinkl website. Thanks for watching.